Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today we are making our week 4 hair growth tea, and I'm going to be using rice for our treatment for week 4. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of rice because I am going to be doing this for a week. So if you are doing this for more than a week, you can use more rice. All right, guys. So I am also going to be washing my rice off camera. So please do well to wash your rice before you use it to remove the dirt and any other thing that is in the rice. So you need a clean jar just like this. And after you sterilize your jar, then I have washed my rice off camera. I'll be placing it inside my jar. If you've watched this extent, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And I'll be taking you guys in everything I'll be doing in today's video. So besties, this is the next ingredient we'll be using, which is clove. I love using clove in my hair growth teas. Okay, so clove is really, really amazing for our hair growth. Cloves contain high level of antioxidant and nourishment, okay, that adds to the growth and the strengthening of your hair. All right, clove can be used for protecting your scalp, all right, from dandruff, and it can also be used to grow your hair thicker and longer. Okay, it also have anti-inflammatory inside. So the next ingredient to be using is bay leaf. Bay leaf too is amazing for your hair growth. Okay, it promotes hair growth, it keeps your hair smooth and shiny, it protects your hair from dandruff, like it also helps you in itchiness as well. So bay leaf is good for hair growth as well, and scalp infection. So I'm going to be adding this together. I'm using like 5 pieces of bay leaf. Okay, so I've added everything in my jar, and I'll add my bay leaf as well, and I'll add water. If you watch this extent, please do want to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So loves, we're going to be infusing this for like 8 hours. You can infuse this for a day if you want, but I want to infuse mine for 8 hours because I need to start using it because we already started our week 4 as I promised in my previous video. So I'm going to use cold water. I'm not using hot water or warm water. It's cold water I'm using. So I'm going to allow this rice and everything to infuse together. So I left it for 8 hours. So guys, this is after 8 hours. This is what we have. Okay, so the water has changed, and I'm going to strain. All right, I will sieve it and get my hair tea. Then we'll move to the next step, which is application. So guys, I'm going to spray this on my hair. Okay, so I didn't tell you guys the benefit of rice. Okay, rice helps to detangle your hair. Rice can make your hair smoother, it can increase shine, it makes your hair stronger, and it helps your hair grow longer and faster. So it did not smell. Okay, I could not perceive any foul smell, okay, in the rice water, even as I am doing a voiceover right now. Okay, like this is 2 days past of spraying this on my hair because I spray this on my hair every day. All right, and the rice water is not smelling. So I feel the cloves and the bay leaf helped to eliminate that smelly rice smell when you keep rice water. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes. So I'm going to spray this on my hair. I did this for the whole 7, like for the whole 1 week. Okay, before we go to week 5. and then my hair felt is feeling amazing because I'm still using it right now as I am speaking to you guys. So this is really, really amazing for your hair growth. If you want to grow your hair, try the combination of this rice water, cloves, and bay leaf inside. Okay, so I'm adding my oil, which is rosemary and cloves as well. Then I will add my leave-in condition, and I will also seal it with my butter. That the way I seal in everything or moisturize my hair is in the channel. You can do what to check it out. Okay, your hair is not going to get dry. So far, you are going to put your leave-in condition and seal everything in. Your hair is not going to get dry. So I am loving this challenge, and I can't wait to see what my hair looks like after the whole 2 months. So this is my hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and I will see you all in week 5, because this is week 40. So week 5 I will do another wash day and more teas. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.